How to delete a note you added to a post or reel on Instagram. If you have mistakenly written a note on an Instagram post or reel, or you simply want to delete it, this video will show you how to do that. Notes on Instagram posts or reels is a new feature that is still not available to everyone, and we are not yet accustomed to how to use it. To delete your note, find the post or reel where it is located. Then click on the note you have published. A new menu with the delete option will open. If you are sure you want to delete that note, click on delete. And as you can see, the note is no longer there. Do you like this new Instagram Notes feature? Write to us in the comments below the video. Like the video and subscribe to our channel.